قال فما خطبكم أيها المرسلون.
Said Ibrahim, so for what purpose have you come, O angels?
قالوا إنا أرسلنا إلى قوم مجرمين.
They said, we have been sent towards a sinful nation
لنرسل عليهم حجارة من طين
that we may throw upon them stones of baked clay,
مسومة عند ربك للمسرفين.
which are marked, kept ready with your Lord for the transgressors.
فأخرجنا من كان فيها من المؤمنين.
So we removed the people who had faith from that town,
فما وجدنا فيها غير بيت من المسلمين.
so there we found just one Muslim household,
وتركنا فيها آية للذين يخافون العذاب الأليم.
and we kept a sign remaining therein for those who fear the painful punishment.
وفي موسى إذ أرسلناه إلى فرعون بسلطان مبين.
And also kept a sign in Musa when we sent him with clear proof towards Fir'aun.
فتولى بركنه وقال ساحر أو مجنون.
Consequently, he turned away along with his army and said, he, Musa, is a magician or a madman.
فأخذناه وجنوده فنبذناهم في اليم وهو مليم.
We henceforth seized him and his army and put them into the river in the state that he was blaming himself.
وفي عاد إذ أرسلنا عليهم الريح العقيم.
And in the tribe of Ad is a sign when we sent a dry windstorm upon them.
ما تذر من شيء أتت عليه إلا جعلته كالرميم.
And whatever it passed through, it caused it to turn to ruin.
وفي ثمود إذ قيل لهم تمتعوا حتى حين.
And there's a sign in the nation of Thamud when it was said to them, enjoy for a while.
فعتوا عن أمر ربهم فأخذتهم الصاعقة وهم ينظرون.
So they rebelled against the command of their Lord. A thunderbolt therefore seized them in front of their eyes.
فما استطاعوا من قيام وما كانوا منتصرين.
So they were neither able to stand up nor were they able to take revenge.
وقوم نوح من قبل إنهم كانوا قوما فاسقين.
And before them we destroyed the nation of Nuh. Indeed, they were sinning people.
والسماء بنيناها بأيد وإنا لموسعون.
And we have built the heaven with the hands of divine power, and it is we who give vastness.
والأرض فرشناها فنعم الماهدون.
And we spread out the earth, so how excellent we are at spreading it.
ومن كل شيء خلقنا زوجين لعلكم تذكرون.
And we created all things in pairs that you may ponder.
ففروا إلى الله إني لكم منه نذير مبين.
So run towards Allah. Indeed, I am from Him, a clear warner for you.
ولا تجعلوا مع الله إلها آخر إني لكم منه نذير مبين.
And do not associate other deities along with Allah. Indeed, I am from Him, a clear warner for you.
كذلك ما أتى الذين من قبلهم من رسول إلا قالوا ساحر أو مجنون.
Likewise, when a messenger came to those before them, so they said this, that he is a magician or a madman.
أتواصوا به بل هم قوم طاغون.
Did they make a will of this utterance to one another? Rather, they are rebellious people.
فتول عنهم فما أنت بملوم.
Therefore, turn away from them, O beloved, so there is no blame upon you.
وذكر فإن الذكرى تنفع المؤمنين.
And give advice that giving advice benefits the Muslims.
وما خلقت الجن والإنس إلا ليعبدون.
And I have created jinn and human beings only for this, that they should worship me.
ما أريد منهم من رزق وما أريد أن يطعمون.
I do not ask any sustenance from them, nor do I want that they give me food.
إن الله هو الرزاق ذو القوة المتين.
Indeed, only Allah is the great provider, the mighty, the powerful.
فإن للذين ظلموا ذنوبا مثل ذنوب أصحابهم فلا يستعجلون.
And indeed, for those wrongdoers is a turn of punishment, like there was a turn for their companions in disbelief. So they must not ask me to hasten the punishment.
فويل للذين كفروا من يومهم الذي يوعدون.
So, woe to the disbelievers from the coming of that day of theirs, which they are promised. Surah At-Tur. This surah is Meccan, containing 49 verses and 2 sections.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
والطور.
By the oath of Tur,
وكتاب مسطور.
and of that written book,
في رق منشور.
which is written in an open parchment.
والبيت المعمور.
And by the Bayt al-Ma'mur,
والسقف المرفوع.
and by the canopy raised high,
والبحر المسجور.
and of the blazed sea.
إن عذاب ربك لواقع.
Indeed, your Lord's punishment is definitely to take place.
ما له من دافع.
There is no one to avert it.
يوم تمور السماء مورا.
On the day when the heavens will tremble with dreadful shake,
وتسير الجبال سيرا.
and the mountains will move speedily.
فويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
So on that day, destruction is for those who belie the prophets,
الذين هم في خوض يلعبون.
those who are playing in idle pastimes.
يوم يدعون إلى نار جهنم دعا.
The day when they will be pushed forcefully towards the fire of hell.
هذه النار التي كنتم بها تكذبون.
It will be said to them, this is the fire which you used to belie.
أفسحر هذا أم أنتم لا تبصرون.
So, is this magic, or are you unable to see?
اصلوها فاصبروا أو لا تصبروا سواء عليكم إنما تجزون ما كنتم تعملون.
Enter it, to burn therein. Now be patient or impatient. It is all the same for you. You are only being recompensed for what you used to do.
إن المتقين في جنات ونعيم.
Indeed, the pious are in gardens and bliss,
فاكهين بما آتاهم ربهم ووقاهم ربهم عذاب الجحيم.
delighted of the bestowal from their Lord, and their Lord has saved them from the punishment of the fire.
كلوا واشربوا هنيئا بما كنتم تعملون
Eat and drink with pleasure the reward for your good deeds.
متكئين على سرر مصفوفة وزوجناهم بحور عين.
Reclining on thrones set in rows, and we have wedded them to hurs, i.e., maidens of paradise, having large, gorgeous eyes.
والذين آمنوا واتبعتهم ذريتهم بإيمان ألحقنا بهم ذريتهم وما ألتناهم من عملهم من شيء كل امرئ بما كسب رهين.
And those who believed and their children followed them with faith, we have joined their children with them in paradise and have not reduced anything for them from their deeds. Every person who disbelieves is trapped in their own doings.
وأمددناهم بفاكهة ولحم مما يشتهون.
And we help them with fruits and meat as they desire.
يتنازعون فيها كأسا لا لغو فيها ولا تأثيم.
They receive therein cups of pure wine from each other, in which is neither any immorality nor any sin.
ويطوف عليهم غلمان لهم كأنهم لؤلؤ مكنون.
And their serving youth shall go around serving them. They will be beautiful, as if they were pearls kept securely hidden.
وأقبل بعضهم على بعض يتساءلون.
And one of them turned towards the other while questioning.
قالوا إنا كنا قبل في أهلنا مشفقين.
They said, indeed, before this, we were in our houses full of fear.
فمن الله علينا ووقانا عذاب السموم.
So, Allah did us a great favor and saved us from the punishment of the hot wind of hell.
إنا كنا من قبل ندعوه إنه هو البر الرحيم.
Indeed, we worshipped him in our previous life. Indeed, only he is the bounteous, the most merciful.
فذكر فما أنت بنعمة ربك بكاهن ولا مجنون.
Therefore, O beloved, you advise them, by the benevolence of your Lord, you are neither a soothsayer nor insane.
أم يقولون شاعر نتربص به ريب المنون.
Or they allege he is a poet, we await for him some calamity by the turn of time.
قل تربصوا فإني معكم من المتربصين.
Say you, O beloved, continue waiting. I too am waiting along with you for your destruction.
أم تأمرهم أحلامهم بهذا أم هم قوم طاغون.
Is this what their intellects tell them, or are they a rebellious people?
أم يقولون تقوله بل لا يؤمنون.
Or they say, he, i.e., the Prophet Muhammad, has invented the Quran. Rather, they do not believe.
فليأتوا بحديث مثله إن كانوا صادقين.
So, let them bring a single speech like it if they are truthful.
أم خلقوا من غير شيء أم هم الخالقون.
Have they not been created from some source, or are they themselves their own creators?
أم خلقوا السماوات والأرض بل لا يوقنون.
Or did they create the heavens and the earth? Rather, they have no certainty.
أم عندهم خزائن ربك أم هم المسيطرون.
Or do they have the treasures of your Lord? Or are they a superior authority?
أم لهم سلم يستمعون فيه فليأت مستمعهم بسلطان مبين.
Or do they have any ladder? By climbing upon it they can listen. So their listeners should bring some clear proof.
أم له البنات ولكم البنون.
Or are there daughters for him and sons for you?
أم تسألهم أجرا فهم من مغرم مثقلون.
Or do you, O beloved, ask any recompense from them, so they are overburdened with penalty?
أم عندهم الغيب فهم يكتبون.
Or is the knowledge of the unseen with them, by which they pass judgment?
أم يريدون كيدا فالذين كفروا هم المكيدون.
Or do they intend some plotting? So the evil plotting is to befall the disbelievers only.
أم لهم إله غير الله سبحان الله عما يشركون.
Or do they have another God except Allah? Purity is to Allah from their polytheism.
وإن يروا كسفا من السماء ساقطا يقولوا سحاب مركوم.
And if they see a fragment of the sky falling, so they will say, it is a heap of clouds.
فذرهم حتى يلاقوا يومهم الذي فيه يصعقون.
Therefore, leave them until they confront their day in which they will be unconscious.
يوم لا يغني عنهم كيدهم شيئا ولا هم ينصرون.
A day on which their conspiracy will not benefit them at all, and nor are they to be helped.
وإن للذين ظلموا عذابا دون ذلك ولكن أكثرهم لا يعلمون.
And indeed, for the unjust is another punishment before that, but most of them know not.
واصبر لحكم ربك فإنك بأعيننا وسبح بحمد ربك حين تقوم.
And O beloved, remain firm upon the command of your Lord, that you are indeed in our protective watchful sight, and proclaim the purity of your Lord whilst praising Him when you stand for salah.
ومن الليل فسبحه وإدبار النجوم.
And proclaim His purity in a part of the night and at the time when the stars set. Surah An-Najm. This surah is Meccan, containing 62 verses and 3 sections.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
والنجم إذا هوى.
By the oath of that beloved shining star Muhammad, when he descended from Miraj, i.e. the Ascension.
ما ضل صاحبكم وما غوى.
Your companion, i.e. the beloved Prophet Muhammad, has not strayed, nor was he misled.
وما ينطق عن الهوى.
And he does not say anything of his own desire.
إن هو إلا وحي يوحى.
It is not but revelation which is sent down upon him.
علمه شديد القوى.
The one who is extremely mighty, the powerful, has taught him.
ذو مرة فاستوى.
Then that manifestation intended.
وهو بالأفق الأعلى.
And he, i.e. the beloved Prophet Muhammad, was on the horizon of the uppermost heaven.
ثم دنا فتدلى.
Then that manifestation came closer, and then he became increasingly closer towards his beloved.
فكان قاب قوسين أو أدنى.
So the distance remaining between the manifestation and this beloved was only of 2 arm lengths, rather even less.
فأوحى إلى عبده ما أوحى.
Now he revealed to his bondsman whatever he revealed.
ما كذب الفؤاد ما رأى.
The heart did not lie regarding what he saw.
أفتمارونه على ما يرى
So, do you dispute with him regarding what he saw on the night of Mi'raj?
ولقد رآه نزلة أخرى
And he did see that manifestation 2 times.
عند سدرة المنتهى
Near the lote tree of the furthest boundary.
عندها جنة المأوى
Close to which is Jannah al-Ma'wa.
إذ يغشى السدرة ما يغشى
When the lote tree was being enveloped with whatever was covering it,
ما زاغ البصر وما طغى
the eyes of the beloved Prophet did not turn aside nor exceed the limit.
لقد رأى من آيات ربه الكبرى
Indeed, he saw the greatest signs of his Lord.
أفرأيتم اللات والعزى
So, did you, O polytheists, observe the false deities Lat and Uzza?
ومناة الثالثة الأخرى
And subsequently the third one, Manat.
ألكم الذكر وله الأنثى
For you a son and for him a daughter?
تلك إذا قسمة ضيزى
Then that is very pathetic division.
إن هي إلا أسماء سميتموها أنتم وآباؤكم ما أنزل الله بها من سلطان إن يتبعون إلا الظن وما تهوى الأنفس ولقد جاءهم من ربهم الهدى
They are nothing but some names that you and your forefathers have devised. Allah has not sent any proof for them. They, the polytheists, follow only speculations and the desires of their baser selves, whereas indeed the guidance from the Lord has come to them.
أم للإنسان ما تمنى
Will man acquire whatever he wishes?
فلله الآخرة والأولى
So, only Allah is the owner of all, the hereafter and this world.
وكم من ملك في السماوات لا تغني شفاعتهم شيئا إلا من بعد أن يأذن الله لمن يشاء ويرضى.
And how many angels are in the heavens, that their intercession does not benefit the least, but when Allah gives permission for whomsoever He wills and chooses.
إن الذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة ليسمون الملائكة تسمية الأنثى.
Indeed, those who do not believe in the hereafter give the angels female names.
وما لهم به من علم إن يتبعون إلا الظن وإن الظن لا يغني من الحق شيئا.
And they do not have any knowledge of it. They merely follow assumptions. And indeed, assumption does not serve any purpose in place of certainty.
فأعرض عمن تولى عن ذكرنا ولم يرد إلا الحياة الدنيا.
Therefore, turn your face away from the one who has turned away from our remembrance, and he has desired not but the worldly life.
ذلك مبلغهم من العلم إن ربك هو أعلم بمن ضل عن سبيله وهو أعلم بمن اهتدى.
Up to this is the extent of their knowledge. Indeed, your Lord knows well the one who has strayed from his path, and he knows well the one who has attained guidance.
ولله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض ليجزي الذين أساءوا بما عملوا ويجزي الذين أحسنوا بالحسنى.
And only to Allah belongs whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth, in order to recompense those who do evil for what they have done and give an excellent reward to those who do good deeds.
الذين يجتنبون كبائر الإثم والفواحش إلا اللمم إن ربك واسع المغفرة هو أعلم بكم إذ أنشأكم من الأرض وإذ أنتم أجنة في بطون أمهاتكم فلا تزكوا أنفسكم هو أعلم بمن اتقى.
Those who avoid the major sins and indecencies, except that they approached sin and refrained. Indeed, the forgiveness of your Lord is very vast. He knows you well. He has created you from clay, and when you were fetuses in your mother's wombs. Therefore, do not make the claim of yourselves to be pure. He knows well who are the pious.
أفرأيت الذي تولى
So, did you see the one who turned away?
وأعطى قليلا وأكدى
And he gave little and held back.
أعنده علم الغيب فهو يرى
Does he have the knowledge of the unseen by the means of which he can observe?
أم لم ينبأ بما في صحف موسى
Or has the news not come to him which is mentioned in the scriptures of Musa
وإبراهيم الذي وفى
and mentioned in the scrolls of Ibrahim, who obeyed the orders completely?
ألا تزر وازرة وزر أخرى
The fact is this, that no burdened soul bears the burden of another soul.
وأن ليس للإنسان إلا ما سعى
And this, that man shall attain nothing but what he strove for.
وأن سعيه سوف يرى
And this, that his effort will soon be examined.
ثم يجزاه الجزاء الأوفى
Then he will be fully recompensed for it.
وأن إلى ربك المنتهى
And this, that the end of every creation is only towards your Lord.
وأنه هو أضحك وأبكى
And this, that it is he who caused laughter and weeping.
وأنه هو أمات وأحيا
And this, that it is he who caused death and gave life.
وأنه خلق الزوجين الذكر والأنثى
And this, that it is he who has created the two kinds, male and female,
من نطفة إذا تمنى
from a semen drop when it is emitted into the womb.
وأن عليه النشأة الأخرى
And this, that only upon his responsibility is the second creation, i.e., bringing back to life after death.
وأنه هو أغنى وأقنى
And this, that only he has given wealth and contentment.
وأنه هو رب الشعرى
And this, that only he is the Lord of the star named Shi'ra, Sirius.
وأنه أهلك عادا الأولى
And this, that it is he who destroyed first the tribe of Ad,
وثمود فما أبقى
and the tribe of Thamud, so he spared none.
وقوم نوح من قبل إنهم كانوا هم أظلم وأطغى
And before them destroyed the people of Nuh. Indeed, they were more unjust and more rebellious than them.
وَالْمُؤْتَفِكَةَ أَهْوَى.
And he caused the throwing down of the overturned town of the people of Lut.
فَغَشَّاهَا مَا غَشَّى.
Hence covered it whatever covered.
فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكَ تَتَمَارَى.
So, O listener, which of your favors of your Lord will you doubt?
هَذَا نَذِيرٌ مِّنَ النُّذُرِ الْأُولَى.
This, i.e., the beloved Prophet Muhammad is a warner, like the former warners.
أَزِفَتِ الْآزِفَةُ.
The approaching one, i.e., the day of judgment has come near.
لَيْسَ لَهَا مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ كَاشِفَةٌ.
There is no one except Allah to disclose it, i.e., the day of judgment.
أَفَمِنْ هَذَا الْحَدِيثِ تَعْجَبُونَ.
So, are you surprised at this fact?
وَتَضْحَكُونَ وَلَا تَبْكُونَ.
And you laugh and do not weep.
وَأَنْتُمْ سَامِدُونَ.
And you are indulged in play.
فَاسْجُدُوا لِلَّهِ وَاعْبُدُوا.
Thus, prostrate to Allah and worship Him. Surah Al-Qamar. This surah is Meccan, containing 55 verses and 3 sections.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
اقتربت الساعة وانشق القمر.
The day of judgment came near, and the moon has split.
وَإِن يَرَوْا آيَةً يُعْرِضُوا وَيَقُولُوا سِحْرٌ مُسْتَمِرٌ.
And if they, i.e., the disbelievers, see a sign, they therefore turn away their faces and say, this is just ongoing magic.
وَكَذَّبُوا وَاتَّبَعُوا أَهْوَاءَهُمْ وَكُلُّ أَمْرٍ مُسْتَقِرٌ.
And they belied and followed their own desires, and each matter has been decided.
وَلَقَدْ جَاءَهُم مِّنَ الْأَنبَاءِ مَا فِيهِ مُزْدَجَرٌ.
And indeed, those tidings have come to them wherein there was enough deterrence.
حِكْمَةٌ بَالِغَةٌ فَمَا تُغْنِ النُّذُرُ.
The Quran is perfect wisdom, then what benefit do warners give?
فَتَوَلَّ عَنْهُمْ يَوْمَ يَدْعُ الدَّاعِ إِلَى شَيْءٍ نُكُرٍ.
So, turn your face away from them, the day when the caller will call towards a severe unknown matter.
خُشَّ عَنْ أَبْصَارُهُمْ يَخْرُجُونَ مِنَ الْأَجْدَاثِ كَأَنَّهُمْ جَرَادٌ منتشر.
They will come out from the graves with eyes downcast, as if they are scattered swarms of locusts.
مهطعين إلى الداع يقول الكافرون هذا يوم عسير.
Hastening towards the caller, the disbelievers will say, this is a hard day.
كذبت قبلهم قوم نوح فكذبوا عبدنا وقالوا مجنون وازدجر.
Before these, i.e., the disbelievers, the people of Nuh belied. Thus they belied our bondsman and said, he is a madman, and scolded him.
فدعا ربه أني مغلوب فانتصر.
So he supplicated to his Lord that I am overpowered, therefore take revenge on my behalf.
ففتحنا أبواب السماء بماء منهمر.
We henceforth opened the gates of heaven with water flowing intensely.
وفجرنا الأرض عيونا فالتقى الماء على أمر قد قدر.
And made the earth as springs gushing out, so the two waters met, totaling a quantity which was destined.
وحملناه على ذات ألواح ودسر.
And we caused Nuh to board upon the structure, i.e., ark of wooden planks and nails,
تجري بأعيننا جزاء لمن كان كفر.
sailing in front of our sight. All of this happened as a reward for him, i.e., for Nuh, who was rejected by the people.
ولقد تركناها آية فهل من مدكر.
And we left this incident as a sign. So, is there anyone to ponder?
فكيف كان عذابي ونذر.
So, how dreadful was my punishment and my threats?
ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
And we have indeed made the Quran easy to memorize. So, is there anyone to memorize?
كذبت عاد فكيف كان عذابي ونذر.
The tribe of Ad belied. So, how was my punishment and the declarations of my warnings?
إنا أرسلنا عليهم ريحا صرصرا في يوم نحس مستمر.
We indeed sent towards them a severe windstorm on a day whose ill fortune lasted upon them forever.
تنزع الناس كأنهم أعجاز نخل منقعد.
It was demolishing people in such a way as if they were uprooted trunks of date trees.
فكيف كان عذابي ونذر.
So, how was my punishment and the declaration of my warnings?
ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
And we have indeed made the Quran easy to memorize. So, is there anyone to memorize it?
كذبت ثمود بالنذر.
The tribe of Thamud belied the messengers.
فقالوا أبشرا منا واحدا نتبعه إنا إذا لفي ضلال وسعر.
So they said, shall we follow a man from amongst us? Then if we do so, we are definitely misguided and foolish.
أألقي الذكر عليه من بيننا بل هو كذاب أشر.
The Thamud said, from all of us has the revelation come down only upon him? Rather he, i.e., the Prophet Salih, is most untruthful, boastful.
سيعلمون غدا من الكذاب الأشر.
Allah replied, they will soon come to know who was the most untruthful, boastful.
إنا مرسل الناقة فتنة لهم فارتقبهم واصطبر.
We are about to send the she-camel to test them. Therefore, O Salih, wait and have patience.
ونبئهم أن الماء قسمة بينهم كل شرب محتضر.
And inform them that the water is to be shared between the she-camel and them. Only those whose turn it is may come to their share to obtain the water.
فنادوا صاحبهم فتعاطى فعقر.
Consequently, they called their companion, who therefore caught the she-camel and cut the arteries from the lower part of her legs.
فكيف كان عذابي ونذر.
So, how was my punishment and the declarations of my warnings?
إنا أرسلنا عليهم صيحة واحدة فكانوا كهشيم المحتضر.
Indeed, we sent upon them a single scream. Thereupon they became like leftover twigs of dry trampled grass of the builder of a cattle enclosure.
ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
And we have indeed made the Quran easy to memorize. So, is there anyone to memorize it?
كذبت قوم لوط بالنذر.
The people of Lut belied the messengers.
إنا أرسلنا عليهم حاصبا إلا آل لوط نجيناهم بسحر.
Indeed, we sent a storm of stones upon them except the family of Lut. We rescued them in the last part of the night.
نعمة من عندنا كذلك نجزي من شكر.
As a favor from us, this is how we reward the one who is thankful.
ولقد أنذرهم بطشتنا فتماروا بالنذر.
And indeed, he had warned them about our grip. Consequently, they doubted in the declarations of warning.
ولقد راودوه عن ضيفه فطمسنا أعينهم فذوقوا عذابي ونذر.
And they tried to influence him regarding his guests. We henceforth blinded their eyes. Allah said, taste my punishment and the declarations of warning.
ولقد صبحهم بكرة عذاب مستقر.
And indeed, the lasting punishment came upon them early in the morning.
فذوقوا عذابي ونذر.
So, taste my punishment and declarations of warning.
ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
And we have indeed made the Quran easy to memorize. So, is there anyone to memorize it?
ولقد جاء آل فرعون النذر.
And indeed, the messengers came to the people of Fir'aun.
كذبوا بآياتنا كلها فأخذناهم أخذ عزيز مقتدر.
They belied all of our signs. We henceforth seized them with punishment, as was befitting to the magnificence of the Most Honorable, the All-Powerful.
أكفاركم خير من أولئكم أم لكم براءة في الزبر.
O people of Arabia, are your disbelievers better than them, the previous disbelievers? Or is your exemption written in the books?
أم يقولون نحن جميع منتصر.
Or do they say, we shall all take revenge together as a group?
سيهزم الجمع ويولون الدبر.
The group will soon be chased away, and they will turn their backs to flee.
بل الساعة موعدهم والساعة أدهى وأمر.
Rather, the day of judgment is their promised time, and the day of judgment is very dreadful and very bitter.
إن المجرمين في ضلال وسعر.
Indeed, the criminals are misguided and are insane.
يوم يسحبون في النار على وجوههم ذوقوا مس سقر.
On the day when they will be dragged upon their faces in the fire, and it will be said to them, taste the heat of hell.
إنا كل شيء خلقناه بقدر.
We have indeed created everything with a proper measure.
وما أمرنا إلا واحدة كلمح بالبصر.
And our command is only saying once, like the blink of an eye.
ولقد أهلكنا أشياعكم فهل من مدكر.
And we have indeed destroyed many groups like you. So, is there anyone to ponder?
وكل شيء فعلوه في الزبر.
And whatever they did is present in the books.
وكل صغير وكبير مستقر.
And every small and great thing is documented.
إن المتقين في جنات ونهر.
Indeed, the pious are amongst gardens and streams.
في مقعد صدق عند مليك مقتدر.
present in an assembly of the truth in the majestic court of the most powerful king. Surah Ar-Rahman. This surah is Madani, containing 78 verses and 3 sections.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
Ar-Rahman.
The most gracious.
Allama al-Quran.
He has taught the Quran to his beloved Prophet Muhammad.
Khalaqal insan.
He has created the soul of mankind, the beloved Prophet Muhammad.
Allamahul bayan.
He has taught him the speech, i.e., knowledge of whatever has happened and whatever will happen.
Ash-shamsu wal-qamaru bihusban.
The sun and the moon are programmed, moving on a fixed orbit.
Wan-najmu wash-shajaru yasjudan.
And the plants and the trees prostrate to him.
وَالسَّمَاءَ رَفَعَهَا وَوَضَعَ الْمِيزَانَ.
And Allah has raised the sky and set the scale,
أَلَّا تَطْغَوْا فِي الْمِيزَانِ.
that you should not transgress in the scale when you are weighing.
وَأَقِيمُوا الْوَزْنَ بِالْقِسْطِ وَلَا تُخْسِرُوا الْمِيزَانَ.
And establish the weight with justice, and do not reduce the weight.
وَالْأَرْضَ وَضَعَهَا لِلْأَنَامِ.
And He placed the earth for creation.
فِيهَا فَاكِهَةٌ وَالنَّخْلُ ذَاتُ الْأَكْمَامِ.
Therein are fruits and dates covering each other.
وَالْحَبُّ ذُو الْعَصْفِ وَالرَّيْحَانِ.
And grain with husk and fragrant flowers.
فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ.
So, O mankind and jinn, which of the favors of your Lord will both of you belie?
خَلَقَ الْإِنسَانَ مِنْ صَلْصَالٍ كَالْفَخَّارِ.
He created man from sounding clay like that of pottery.
وَخَلَقَ الْجَانَّ مِنْ مَارِجٍ مِّن نَّارٍ.
And created jinn from a flame of fire.
فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ.
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
رَبُّ الْمَشْرِقَيْنِ وَرَبُّ الْمَغْرِبَيْنِ.
The Lord of both the easts and the Lord of both the wests.
فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ.
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
مَرَجَ الْبَحْرَيْنِ يَلْتَقِيَانِ.
He has made two oceans that appear to join with each other.
بَيْنَهُمَا بَرْزَخٌ لَا يَبْغِيَانِ.
And there is a barrier between them that one cannot surpass the other.
فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ.
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
يَخْرُجُ مِنْهُمَا اللُّؤْلُؤُ وَالْمَرْجَانُ.
From them emerge pearl and coral stone.
فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ.
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
وَلَهُ الْجَوَارِ الْمُنْشَآتُ فِي الْبَحْرِ كَالْأَعْلَامِ.
Only to Him belong the moving ones, i.e., sailing ships raised high in the sea like mountains.
فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ.
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
كُلُّ مَنْ عَلَيْهَا فَانٍ.
Everything on the earth is to perish,
وَيَبْقَى وَجْهُ رَبِّكَ ذُو الْجَلَالِ وَالْإِكْرَامِ.
and remains eternally the being of your Lord, the most majestic, and the most honorable.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
يسأله من في السماوات والأرض كل يوم هو في شأن
All who are in the heavens and the earth are his beggars. Every day he has a new task.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
سنفرغ لكم أيها الثقلان
Soon, after concluding all the matters, we intend to take your account, O you two large groups, i.e., mankind and jinn.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
يا معشر الجن والإنس إن استطعتم أن تنفذوا من أقطار السماوات والأرض فانفذوا لا تنفذون إلا بسلطان
O groups of jinn and mankind, if it is possible for you to cross the boundaries of the heavens and the earth, so you may cross them wherever you will go, the kingdom is only His.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
يرسل عليكما شواظ من نار ونحاس فلا تنتصران
O disbelieving men and jinn, flames of smokeless fire and a black smoke without flames will be let loose on you, and you will not be able to retaliate.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
فإذا انشقت السماء فكانت وردة كالدهان
Then when the sky will split, so it will become similar to a rose flower in color, like the red-dyed skin of cattle.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
فيومئذ لا يسأل عن ذنبه إنس ولا جان
So, on that day, a sinner will not be questioned about his sins from any human being and jinn.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
يعرف المجرمون بسيماهم فيؤخذ بالنواصي والأقدام
The criminals will be recognized from their faces, so they will be thrown into hell, seized by their foreheads and feet.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
هذه جهنم التي يكذب بها المجرمون
This is that hell which the criminals belie.
يطوفون بينها وبين حميم آن
They will go around between it and the extremely hot scalding water.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
ولمن خاف مقام ربه جنتان
And the one who fears standing in the majestic court of his Lord, for him are two paradises.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
ذواتا أفنان
having numerous branches of trees with various kinds of fruits.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
فيهما عينان تجريان
In them 2 springs are flowing.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
فيهما من كل فاكهة زوجان
In them are every fruit of 2 kinds.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
متكئين على فرش بطائنها من استبرق وجنى الجنتين دان
Reclining on such couches whose lining are of silk brocade, and the fruits of the 2 gardens are hanging so low that they can be easily picked from beneath.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
فيهن قاصرات الطرف لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان
Upon those couches are women who do not gaze at men except their husbands, and before them no man and jinn touched them.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
كأنهن الياقوت والمرجان
As if they are rubies and coral stone.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
هل جزاء الإحسان إلا الإحسان
What is the reward for goodness except goodness?
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
ومن دونهما جنتان
And other than them, there are 2 more paradises.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
مدهامتان
Those 2 paradises are densely covered with greenery, appearing dark.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
فيهما عينان نضاختان
In them are 2 springs gushing forth.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
فيهما فاكهة ونخل ورمان
In them are all kinds of fruits and dates and pomegranate.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
فيهن خيرات حسان
In them are women of good conduct and are beautiful.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
حور مقصورات في الخيام
There are hurs, i.e., maidens of paradise, hidden from view in tents.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان
Untouched by any man or jinn before them.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
متكئين على رفرف خضر وعبقري حسان
Reclining on green carpets and beautifully embroidered beddings.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
So, which of the favors of your Lord will you belie?
تبارك اسم ربك ذي الجلال والإكرام
Most blessed is the name of your Lord, the majestic, the splendid. Surah Al-Waqiyah. This surah is Meccan, containing 3 sections and 96 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
إذا وقعت الواقعة
When that which is meant to occur will occur.
ليس لوقعتها كاذبة
At that time, there will be no room for anyone to deny its occurrence.
خافضة رافعة
It will be degrading some and elevating some.
إذا رجت الأرض رجا
When the earth will tremble by trembling,
وبست الجبال بسا
and the mountains will disintegrate into dust,
فكانت هباء منبثا
so they will become like fine scattered dust particles in filtered light.
وكنتم أزواجا ثلاثة
And you will become of 3 categories.
فأصحاب الميمنة ما أصحاب الميمنة
So, firstly, those who are on the right. How fortunate are those who are on the right, i.e., the people of paradise.
وأصحاب المشأمة ما أصحاب المشأمة
And secondly, those who are on the left. How unfortunate are those who are on the left, i.e., the people of hell.
والسابقون السابقون
And thirdly, those who surpassed, they absolutely did surpass to enter it.
أولئك المقربون
It is they who are nearest to the majestic court of Allah.
في جنات النعيم
They are in gardens of bliss.
ثلة من الأولين
A large group from the earlier generations
وقليل من الآخرين
and a few from the latter generations.
على سرر موضونة
The closed ones will be on the coated thrones,
متكئين عليها متقابلين
reclining on them, facing each other.
يطوف عليهم ولدان مخلدون
Circling around them to serve shall be eternal male youths,
بأكواب وأباريق وكأس من معين
carrying vessels and jugs and cups filled with wine of paradise, flowing before the eyes.
لا يصدعون عنها ولا ينزفون
It will not cause headache, nor shall it affect their soberness,
وفاكهة مما يتخيرون
and fruits that they may desire,
ولحم طير مما يشتهون
and the meat of birds that they may wish,
وحور عين
and large gorgeous-eyed hoods, i.e., maidens from paradise,
كأمثال اللؤلؤ المكنون
like pearls kept hidden,
جزاء بما كانوا يعملون
as a reward for their deeds.
لا يسمعون فيها لغوا ولا تأثيما
They will not hear any useless or sinful speech in it,
إلا قيلا سلاما سلاما.
Yes, they will be saying this to one another, Salam, Salam.
وأصحاب اليمين ما أصحاب اليمين.
And those on the right, how fortunate are those on the right.
في سدر مخضود.
They will be amongst the berry trees without thorns,
وطلح منضود.
and in clusters of bananas,
وظل ممدود.
and in everlasting shade,
وماء مسكوب.
and amongst continuously flowing water,
وفاكهة كثيرة.
and an abundance of fruits,
لا مقطوعة ولا ممنوعة.
which neither come to an end nor are prohibited,
وفرش مرفوعة.
and on beddings raised high.
إنا أنشأناهن إنشاء.
We have indeed created these women, i.e., the maidens of paradise, with an excellent growth.
فجعلناهن أبكارا.
Hence, made them virgins,
عربا أترابا.
loved by their husbands, displaying love for their husbands, being of the same age.
لأصحاب اليمين.
Whores are created for the ones on the right side,
ثلة من الأولين.
from the former generation, a large group,
وثلة من الآخرين.
and from the latter generation, a large group.
وأصحاب الشمال ما أصحاب الشمال.
And those on the left, how despicable are those on the left,
في سموم وحميم.
in scorching hot wind and boiling hot water,
وظل من يحموم.
and in the shadow of burning smoke,
لا بارد ولا كريم.
which is neither cool nor of honor.
إنهم كانوا قبل ذلك مترفين.
Indeed, they were indulging in luxury before this,
وكانوا يصرون على الحنث العظيم.
and were stubborn upon the great sin of polytheism.
وكانوا يقولون أإذا متنا وكنا ترابا وعظاما أإنا لمبعوثون.
And they used to say, what, when we are dead and have turned into dust and bones, will we surely be raised again?
أوآباؤنا الأولون.
And our former forefathers as well.
قل إن الأولين والآخرين.
Say you, O beloved, without doubt, all the former and the latter will be raised.
لمجموعون إلى ميقات يوم معلوم.
They will definitely be gathered on the appointed time of the known day.
ثم إنكم أيها الضالون المكذبون.
Then indeed you, O misguided ones, O beliers,
لآكلون من شجر من زقوم.
you will indeed eat from the Zaqqum tree.
فمالئون منها البطون.
Then you will fill your bellies with it.
فشاربون عليه من الحميم.
And on top of this you will drink boiling water.
فشاربون شرب الهيم.
Then you will be drinking just like very thirsty camels drink.
هذا نزلهم يوم الدين.
This is their hospitality on the day of justice.
نحن خلقناكم فلولا تصدقون.
We created you, so why do you not accept the truth?
أفرأيتم ما تمنون.
have you contemplated over the sperm which you discharge?
أأنتم تخلقونه أم نحن الخالقون
Is it you who created human being out of it, or are we the creator?
نحن قدرنا بينكم الموت وما نحن بمسبوقين
It is we who have decreed death amongst you, and we have not been outdone from it.
على أن نبدل أمثالكم وننشئكم فيما لا تعلمون
That after causing you to die, we may replace the likes of you and make you into such forms of which you know not.
ولقد علمتم النشأة الأولى فلولا تذكرون
And indeed you have known about the initial creation, then why do you not ponder?
أفرأيتم ما تحرثون
So, have you considered that which you sow?
أأنتم تزرعونه أم نحن الزارعون
Is it you who cause crops to grow, or are we the grower?
لو نشاء لجعلناه حطاما فظلتم تفكهون
If we will, we can make it like dry trampled grass, so you would remain saying sorrowfully
إنا لمغرمون
that we have been ruined in our wealth.
بل نحن محرومون
Rather, we remained ill-fated.
أفرأيتم الماء الذي تشربون
So, what do you say regarding that water which you drink?
أأنتم أنزلتموه من المزن أم نحن المنزلون
Is it you who brought it down from the clouds, or is it we who cause it to come down?
لو نشاء جعلناه أجاجا فلولا تشكرون
If we will, so we can make it salty, then why are you not grateful?
أفرأيتم النار التي تورون
So, what do you say regarding that fire which you ignite?
أأنتم أنشأتم شجرتها أم نحن المنشئون
Is it you who grew its tree, or is it we who are the creator of it?
نحن جعلناها تذكرة ومتاعا للمقوين
We have made it, i.e., the fire, a reminder of hell, and as a benefit for travelers in the jungle.
فسبح باسم ربك العظيم
So, O beloved, glorify the name of your Lord, the most great.
فلا أقسم بمواقع النجوم
So, I swear an oath by the places where the stars set.
وإنه لقسم لو تعلمون عظيم
And if you understand, so it is a great oath.
إنه لقرآن كريم
Indeed, this is the respected Quran.
في كتاب مكنون
It is in the preserved book.
لا يمسه إلا المطهرون
No one may touch it except with wudu, i.e., ritual ablution.
تنزيل من رب العالمين
Sent down by the Lord of all the worlds.
أفبهذا الحديث أنتم مدهنون
Do you show laziness in the statement?
وتجعلون رزقكم أنكم تكذبون
And you keep this your share that you belie?
فلولا إذا بلغت الحلقوم
Then why should it not be that when the soul of a dying person reaches the throat,
وأنتم حينئذ تنظرون
and you are watching at that moment,
ونحن أقرب إليه منكم ولكن لا تبصرون
and we are nearer to him than you are, but you see not.
فلولا إن كنتم غير مدينين.
So why was it not, if you are to be exempted from recompense,
ترجعونها إن كنتم صادقين.
that you bring it, i.e., the soul of the dying person back if you are truthful?
فأما إن كان من المقربين.
Then if the one dying is of those who are close to Allah,
فروح وريحان وجنة نعيم.
so for such is relief and flowers and gardens of peace.
وأما إن كان من أصحاب اليمين.
And if the dying person is of those of the right side,
فسلام لك من أصحاب اليمين.
so, O beloved, upon you be salam, i.e., peace from those on the right side.
وأما إن كان من المكذبين الضالين.
And if he, i.e., the dying person, is from those who belie the misguided,
فنزل من حميم.
then his hospitality is boiling water
وتصلية جحيم.
and thrusting into the blazing fire.
إن هذا لهو حق اليقين.
This is indeed a statement of certainty of the highest level.
فسبح باسم ربك العظيم.
Therefore, O beloved, glorify the name of your great Lord. Surah Al-Hadid. This surah is Madani, containing 29 verses and 4 sections.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
سبح لله ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم.
Whatever is in the heavens and in the earth glorifies Allah, and only He is the Honorable, the Wise.
له ملك السماوات والأرض يحيي ويميت وهو على كل شيء قدير.
Only for Him is the kingdom of the heavens and the earth. He gives life and causes death, and He is able to do everything.
هو الأول والآخر والظاهر والباطن وهو بكل شيء عليم.
Only He is the first, and only He is the last, and only He is the apparent, and only He is the hidden, and it is only He who knows all things.
هو الذي خلق السماوات والأرض في 6 أيام ثم استوى على العرش يعلم ما يلج في الأرض وما يخرج منها وما ينزل من السماء وما يعرج فيها وهو معكم أينما كنتم والله بما تعملون بصير.
It is He who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days, then established His authority upon the throne. He knows whatever goes into the earth and whatever comes out of it, and whatever comes down from the sky and whatever goes up into it. And He is with you wherever you may be, and Allah is observing your actions.
له ملك السماوات والأرض وإلى الله ترجع الأمور.
Only for Him is the kingdom of the heavens and the earth, and only towards Allah is the return of all matters.
يولج الليل في النهار ويولج النهار في الليل وهو عليم بذات الصدور.
He brings the night in a part of the day, and brings the day in a part of the night, and He knows what is within the hearts.
آمنوا بالله ورسوله وأنفقوا مما جعلكم مستخلفين فيه فالذين آمنوا منكم وأنفقوا لهم أجر كبير.
Believe in Allah and His beloved Messenger, and spend in His path out of that in which He had made you inheritors of others. So those amongst you who believed and spent in His path, for them is a great reward.
وما لكم لا تؤمنون بالله والرسول يدعوكم لتؤمنوا بربكم وقد أخذ ميثاقكم إن كنتم مؤمنين.
And what is the matter with you that you do not believe in Allah, while this messenger, i.e., the Prophet Muhammad, is inviting you to believe in your Lord, and he has indeed taken from you a covenant already, if you have certainty.
هو الذي ينزل على عبده آيات بينات ليخرجكم من الظلمات إلى النور وإن الله بكم لرؤوف رحيم.
It is He who sends down clear verses upon His special bondsmen in order to take you out from darknesses towards light. And indeed, Allah is definitely compassionate, merciful upon you.
وما لكم ألا تنفقوا في سبيل الله ولله ميراث السماوات والأرض لا يستوي منكم من أنفق من قبل الفتح وقاتل أولئك أعظم درجة من الذين أنفقوا من بعد وقاتلوا وكلا وعد الله الحسنى والله بما تعملون خبير.
And what is the matter with you that you do not spend in the way of Allah, whereas only Allah is the inheritor, i.e., owner of all that is in the heavens and in the earth? Those, i.e., the companions of the beloved Prophet amongst you who spent and fought before the conquest of Makkah, are not equal to the others. They are greater in rank than those who spent and fought after the conquest of Makkah. And Allah has promised paradise to all of them, and Allah is aware of your deeds.
من ذا الذي يقرض الله قرضا حسنا فيضاعفه له وله أجر كريم.
Who will lend a good loan to Allah so that He may double it for him, and for him is an honorable reward.
يوم ترى المؤمنين والمؤمنات يسعى نورهم بين أيديهم وبأيمانهم بشراكم اليوم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها ذلك هو الفوز العظيم.
The day when you will see the believing men and the believing women, that their light runs before them and on their right. They are being told that this day the most joyous matter for you is such gardens beneath which rivers flow. You are to reside in them forever. Only this is the great success.
يوم يقول المنافقون والمنافقات للذين آمنوا انظرونا نقتبس من نوركم قيل ارجعوا وراءكم فالتمسوا نورا فضرب بينهم بسور له باب باطنه فيه الرحمة وظاهره من قبله العذاب.
The day when the hypocrite men and the hypocrite women will say to the Muslims that look towards us once, we may have some of your light. It will be said to them, turn back, search for light over there. They will turn around, whereupon suddenly a wall will be put up between them, in which is a gate. Mercy is inside it, and on the outer side is punishment.
ينادونهم ألم نكن معكم قالوا بلى ولكنكم فتنتم أنفسكم وتربصتم وارتبتم وغرتكم الأماني حتى جاء أمر الله وغركم بالله الغرور.
The hypocrites will call out to the Muslims, "Were we not with you?" They will answer, "Yes, why not?" i.e., absolutely. But you had put your souls into mischief, and you used to await misfortune for the Muslims, and you doubted, and false hope deceived you until Allah's command came. And the great deceiver, i.e., Satan, had kept you in arrogance regarding the command of Allah.
فَالْيَوْمَ لَا يُؤْخَذُ مِنكُمْ فِدْيَةٌ وَلَا مِنَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا مَأْوَاكُمُ النَّارُ هِيَ مَوْلَاكُمْ وَبِئْسَ الْمَصِيرُ.
So, this day, no ransom is to be taken from you, O hypocrites, nor from the blatant disbelievers. Your abode is the fire, that fire is your companion, and what a wretched outcome.
أَلَمْ يَأْنِ لِلَّذِينَ آمَنُوا أَن تَخْشَعَ قُلُوبُهُمْ لِذِكْرِ اللَّهِ وما نزل من الحق ولا يكونوا كالذين أوتوا الكتاب من قبل فطال عليهم الأمد فقست قلوبهم وكثير منهم فاسقون.
Has the time not come for the believers to humble their hearts to Allah's remembrance and for this truth, i.e., the Quran which has come down? And they, i.e., the Muslims, should not become like those who were given the book before, and when the term was prolonged upon them, their hearts therefore became hard, and many of them are sinners.
اعلموا أن الله يحيي الأرض بعد موتها قد بينا لكم الآيات لعلكم تعقلون.
You should know that it is Allah who revives the earth after its death. We have indeed explained the signs for you that you may understand.
إن المصدقين والمصدقات وأقرضوا الله قرضا حسنا يضاعف لهم ولهم أجر كريم.
Indeed, the charitable men and the charitable women and those who lend a good loan to Allah, for them is double the reward, and for them is an honorable reward.
والذين آمنوا بالله ورسله أولئك هم الصديقون والشهداء عند ربهم لهم أجرهم ونورهم والذين كفروا وكذبوا بآياتنا أولئك أصحاب الجحيم.
And those who believe in Allah and all His messengers, only they are completely truthful and are witnesses over others in the majestic court of their Lord. For them is their promised reward and their light. And those who disbelieved and belied our verses, they are the inmates of hell.
اعلموا أنما الحياة الدنيا لعب ولهو وزينة وتفاخر بينكم وتكاثر في الأموال والأولاد كمثل غيث أعجب الكفار نباته ثم يهيج فتراه مصفرا ثم يكون حطاما وفي الآخرة عذاب شديد ومغفرة من الله ورضوان وما الحياة الدنيا إلا متاع الغرور.
You should know that the life of this world is nothing but play and amusement and adornment, and your boasting amongst yourselves. and the desire to surpass each other in wealth and children. It is like the rain whose produce pleased the farmer, then dried up, that you see it yellow, then turned into dry trampled grass. And in the hereafter for the disbelievers is severe punishment, and for the believers is forgiveness from Allah and His contentment. And the life of this world is nothing but the goods of deception.
سابقوا إلى مغفرة من ربكم وجنة عرضها كعرض السماء والأرض أعدت للذين آمنوا بالله ورسله ذلك فضل الله يؤتيه من يشاء والله ذو الفضل العظيم.
Surpass one another in hastening towards forgiveness from your Lord and towards that paradise, the width of which is like the distance of the heaven and the earth, prepared for those who believed in Allah and all His messengers. This is the grace of Allah, which He bestows upon whom He wills, and Allah is extremely bountiful.
ما أصاب من مصيبة في الأرض ولا في أنفسكم إلا في كتاب من قبل أن نبرأها إن ذلك على الله يسير.
No calamity befalls the earth nor upon yourselves, but it is mentioned in a book, i.e., the preserved tablet, before this that we created. Verily, this is easy for Allah.
لكي لا تأسوا على ما فاتكم ولا تفرحوا بما آتاكم والله لا يحب كل مختال فخور.
In order that you may not grieve over losing something, nor rejoice upon that which you are given. And Allah does not like any boastful, arrogant person.
الذين يبخلون ويأمرون الناس بالبخل ومن يتول فإن الله هو الغني الحميد.
Those who indulge in miserliness and urge others to indulge in miserliness, and whoever turns away, so know that Allah is indeed the independent, the praiseworthy.
لقد أرسلنا رسلنا بالبينات وأنزلنا معهم الكتاب والميزان ليقوم الناس بالقسط وأنزلنا الحديد فيه بأس شديد ومنافع للناس وليعلم الله من ينصره ورسله بالغيب إن الله قوي عزيز.
Indeed, we sent our messengers with proofs, and sent down the book and the scale of justice along with them, that people may be firm upon justice. And we sent down iron, in which there is extreme strength and benefits for people. And for this reason, that Allah may see him who without seeing helps him, i.e., His religion and His messengers. Indeed, Allah is Almighty, all-dominant.
وَلَقَدْ أَرْسَلْنَا نُوحًا وَإِبْرَاهِيمَ وَجَعَلْنَا فِي ذُرِّيَّتِهِمَا النُّبُوَّةَ وَالْكِتَابَ فَمِنْهُم مُّهْتَدٍ وَكَثِيرٌ مِّنْهُمْ فَاسِقُونَ.
And indeed we sent Nuh and Ibrahim and placed prophethood and the book amongst their offspring. So some among them are guided and many of them are disobedient.
ثم قفينا على آثارهم برسلنا وقفينا بعيسى ابن مريم وآتيناه الإنجيل وجعلنا في قلوب الذين اتبعوه رأفة ورحمة ورهبانية ابتدعوها ما كتبناها عليهم إلا ابتغاء رضوان الله فما رعوها حق رعايتها فآتينا الذين آمنوا منهم أجرهم وكثير منهم فاسقون.
We then sent our other messengers after them, following in their footsteps. And after them we sent Isa, the son of Maryam, and bestowed the Injil upon him. And we instilled compassion and mercy in the hearts of his followers. And so they invented monkhood, i.e., being cut off from worldly matters in the religion from their own selves. We had not ordained this upon them. Yes, they made this innovation in order to seek Allah's contentment. Then they did not properly observe it, as it should have been rightfully observed. We henceforth bestowed upon the believers amongst them their reward, and many of them are disobedient.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله وآمنوا برسوله يؤتكم كفلين من رحمته ويجعل لكم نورا تمشون به ويغفر لكم والله غفور رحيم.
O you who believe, fear Allah and believe in His Messenger. He will give you 2 portions of His mercy, and on the day of judgment will create a light for you to walk therein, i.e., on the bridge of Sirat, and will forgive you. And Allah is most forgiving, the merciful.
لئلا يعلم أهل الكتاب ألا يقدرون على شيء من فضل الله وأن الفضل بيد الله يؤتيه من يشاء والله ذو الفضل العظيم.
This is in order that the disbelievers amongst the people of the book may know that they do not have any control whatsoever over the benevolence of Allah, and this, that the benevolence is entirely in Allah's hand of power. He bestows it upon whomsoever He wills, and Allah is the possessor of great bounty.